we draw the hexagonal base pyramid, or the hexagonal prism, sorry, before it's been tilted. We can see now that it is tilted at 30 degrees to the horizontal plane, so it will be tilted in elevation, rotated around the point AB, so along this point here. So we take from AB a 30 degree, so this is at 30 degrees. From that, we will have to use this to take our distances. So we know the base is not going to change in size, so we can rotate that up. All corners are going to be 90 degrees. So we do them up. Okay, so now from BA, I'm going to take that point, bring it over here, and this point here, and bring it over here. So them two actually will line up with each other. Okay, so we can heavy that in at the minute. You know that's going to be the outline of it. Okay, so we also know that there's two ways of doing it. We can take our center line there and rotate it onto our top. Okay, or we can take it from the base and rotate it up. Either way, it should give you the same. Okay, so once we have our elevation done, we're going to bring it, project our lines down and across to get our view in plan. Okay, so all our points from AB stay, so that line is going to be permanent there. Okay, because that's the way it's hinged. So we can see here that C, D, E, and F. So we can see that D and E went forward, represented here. We can see that C and F went forward, and we see B and A have remained touching the ground. So the first thing we're going to start then is we're going to bring E across, D and across. So we have C and F here, and D and E up here. So if E came across here, we bring down E and D to where they intersect in plan. That will give you one point here, one point here. Be one edge. Same thing then, we're going to bring F across and F down. Where they intersect, we'll show you where it is in plan after it has been moved. So E, F and C move in the same direction. So we have that point there. So now we can join up that edge here. We can join this edge as well. So at the top here, we're going to label these points at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to bring it across, lightly down. We know 1, 2, it's in line with A and B, so we'll bring it across there. 1, 2, that's 1, that's 2. Next thing we need to do then is bring down 3 and 4. We know 3 and 4 is in line with C and F, so we bring them across. That point there, that point there. And last of all, 5 and 6 will come down, and they're going to be in line with E and D and A and B from the same line. So mark that there and mark that there. So when we're looking down, we will see this surface, so we can heavy it in, the outline, because we know we'll see all them edges. Okay, once we see all them edges, we can heavy in the other edges we're going to see. So we're going to see this side here, we're going to see this side here, You can see this edge here. You can see this edge here. We also will see the rest of the back corners as hidden detail. So we put in the hidden detail here. From this point, because it has moved to A, it's going to be your hidden detail. From C to B is also going to be your hidden detail. Along this point here should be hidden detail. Okay, and then we have our back two sides hidden detail. So once we have that, we're going to have to get our end view using our 45-degree line again. So we go down our 45-degree line. Bring across one point at a time and bring up one point at a time, and we'll be able to see. So if we're looking in here, put 90 degrees to it, we're going to be able to see the shape of the base. We're going to see a few of the sides, and then the top surface is looking away from us, so we will only see the edge at the back and the sides. We won't see the surface here because we're looking in from the other side. So if we project all our points across, so we'll start with BA and our AB and bring it across, bring them across. Okay, bring them up. Nope. So we know this is B because it's on the ground line. We know A is here because it's on the ground line also. Next thing we need then is we're going to bring across E and D. They're in line with A and B, so we can use the. Then we bring them 2 points across. So that's going to be E. This is going to be F. So there's two other points we need, which are C, F for the outer point. Where it hits the 45-degree line, bring it up. Bring it up. Bring C and F across. Across. Give you that point here and that point here. Okay, so we know we're going to see underneath here, so we can heavy it all in. Can heavy it all in there. So that's one surface under here that we can see. Now we're going to have to look along here, and we're going to see all the other points. So it's the exact same thing. We're just going to use the points we have. We're going to bring them up and across. So 5 and 6 across. Align with these. Where that hits that, it's going to be 5. Where that hits that, it's going to be 6. We know we're going to see them edges, so we can heavy it in. So it's going to be 6. That's going to be 5. And heavy the two edges in. Like so. Next thing we're going to see then is 3 and 4 because they're the outward points, 3 and 4. We're going to bring them across. We're going to be in line with these outermost points. We can bring these up. Bring them up where they hit each other. We can bring back to 5 and bring back to 6. Okay, then our edges. So they're all the edges that we're going to see. But we also have hidden detail. Because there is edges at the back, just because we can't see them doesn't mean they're there, so we have to represent them using hidden detail. So we're going to bring across 1 and 2, where that point hits there. We're going to. So this is 2 here, and this is 1. We're going to join them together. Okay, so that's our question fully solved.